Welcome to Iraqi Dinar News, your trusted destination for verified financial insights and breaking developments surrounding the Iraqi dinar, IQD, Vietnamese dong, VND, and related global currency movements. In today's comprehensive update, we examine a crucial shift that has the potential to directly impact how, where, and when IQD and VND holders will be able to exchange their currencies. If you've been waiting for a sign that revaluation logistics are taking shape, this is it. A confirmed bank list has just been released, and it changes everything. For years, dinar and dong investors have been caught in cycles of speculation, online theories, and unverified exchange pathways. But now, according to officials in coordination with the Central Bank of Iraq and international banking protocols, a limited set of authorized banks has been selected and approved to facilitate future currency exchanges. Not every bank will be allowed to handle these transactions. Only institutions that meet strict international compliance standards, possess secure digital infrastructures, and demonstrate full transparency have made the list. This development is not based on rumor or theory. It's a factual move designed to bring order, reduce financial fraud, and streamline the revaluation process. According to CBI officials, this action was necessary due to Iraq's history of black market dealings, forged currency risks, and inconsistent financial oversight. By limiting which banks are approved, the government is taking a serious step toward controlled, clean, and compliant currency exchanges. So what does this mean for dinar and dong holders in Iraq and abroad? First, if your bank is on the approved list, you're in a strong position. You'll likely experience smoother transactions, minimal processing delays, and direct access to legitimate exchange platforms once the revaluation is initiated. But if your bank is not on the list, you may face added verification procedures, or worse, you may be denied exchange privileges altogether. Now is the time to check your bank's participation status. This is especially urgent for those holding currency outside of Iraq, such as in the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. Although the list includes both domestic and international institutions, not every foreign bank has been approved. If you bank with a U.S. or Canadian institution, contact your branch directly. Ask if they are listed among those authorized for dinar and dong exchange under the new CBI compliance structure. If they are not, ask if they partner with any approved entities or offer alternative solutions. Keeping records of these inquiries will help you make timely and strategic decisions later. Another important aspect of this development is the growing expectation of tiered exchange rates. Analysts now speculate that exchange rates offered may vary depending on the institution used. Larger, fully approved banks with deeper operational integration and faster compliance processes could offer preferential rates, especially to early movers. If this tiered system is implemented, those who act early and exchange through high-volume institutions may receive more favorable conversion. The key message is this: proactivity will pay off. Being prepared before the exchange window opens could determine how quickly and how profitably you are able to complete your transaction. This is not a time for complacency. If your bank is not ready, make sure you are. Begin assembling documentation such as proof of purchase for your IQD or VND, identification documents, and updated banking credentials. Prepare to pivot to an approved institution if necessary. Inside Iraq, public reactions have been mixed. In major cities like Baghdad and Basra, the approved bank list is seen as a step toward monetary stability and government accountability. Citizens in these regions are increasingly optimistic that an orderly and legitimate exchange process is on the horizon. However, in rural areas where smaller banks and informal exchange centers dominate, concerns are growing. Many fear they may be left behind unless the government increases public education efforts and offers mobile banking outreach. This will be key to ensuring equity in the exchange process. Beyond individual currency holders, this limited bank approval policy will have broader economic and geopolitical implications. Reducing black market influence and increasing transactional oversight will boost Iraq's international financial reputation. A clean, efficient revaluation process enhances Iraq's credibility with foreign investors, financial institutions, and global markets. In the long term, this could translate into new infrastructure deals, energy investments, and expanded trade agreements, benefiting Iraq's economy far beyond the currency sector. It's also a move that signals readiness to the global financial community. Iraq is demonstrating that it's no longer willing to tolerate financial disorder or investor confusion. With this move, the CBI is stating clearly, when the revaluation happens, it will be under strict supervision. Every exchange will be traceable, monitored, and protected. So what should you do next? Contact your bank, find out if they are on the approved list. If not, ask about affiliate relationships. Assemble your documents, proof of currency purchase, ID, tax info, and account details. Have a backup plan. Research alternative approved banks or currency centers. Stay updated, follow only credible financial channels, avoid social media hype and unverified rumors. Act early. Early exchange windows may offer better rates and shorter processing times. It's also critical to be aware of scams. With only a finite number of institutions approved for exchange, you can expect an increase in fraudulent offers, fake websites, and unlicensed dealers promising high rates and instant conversions. Never engage with any entity that is not on the official list. If an offer seems too good to be true, it probably is. Protect your identity, your investment, and your trust. As we move closer to a possible revaluation window, the most prepared individuals will see the best results. Every indication points to a future where only those working through verified, compliant systems will be able to benefit. If you've waited this long, don't let a lack of preparation delay your opportunity. Thank you for watching Iraqi Dinar News. We're committed to bringing you only factual, actionable, and timely updates as this historic monetary shift unfolds. If you found this report useful, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and share this with others who need to stay ahead of the curve. Let us know in the comments, has your bank confirmed its participation? What steps have you taken to prepare? We look forward to hearing from you. Stay alert, stay informed, and stay ready.